To promote your Etsy shop using Instagram ads. Start by creating a business account on Instagram and linking it to your Etsy shop. This will allow you to access Instagram's advertising features and track the performance of your ads. First, identify your target audience by considering the demographics and interests of your ideal customer. Use Instagram's built-in targeting options to reach users who are likely to be interested in your products. You can target based on location, age, gender, interests, and behaviors. Next, create high-quality ad visuals that showcase your products in a lifestyle setting. Use good lighting, and consider using models or props to make your products more appealing. Write compelling ad copy that highlights the unique features and benefits of your products. Set up your ad campaign by choosing the objective, target audience, budget, and ad schedule. Choose the conversions objective to drive traffic to your Etsy shop and track sales. Set a daily or lifetime budget and choose the ad schedule that works best for your business. Use Instagram's shopping feature to tag your products directly in your ads. This will allow users to purchase from your Etsy shop without leaving the Instagram app. Monitor your ad performance regularly and make adjustments as needed to optimize your results. To get the most out of your Instagram ads, use relevant hashtags and tag relevant influencers or brands in your niche. Collaborate with other Etsy sellers or influencers to reach new audiences and build relationships within your industry. Finally, track your ad performance using Instagram's built-in analytics tool and Etsy's Shop Analytics. Monitor your website traffic, sales, and revenue to see how your Instagram ads are performing and make data-driven decisions to optimize your ad campaigns. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively promote your Etsy shop using Instagram ads and drive more sales and revenue for your business.